Hello and welcome back to another watercolor practice session. I'm just gathering my supplies and we're going to just start painting. So today's inspiration is from this book, Flowers. So let's just get started. I'm going to go ahead and put some basic shapes for a tulip and some random flower. I'm using one of these pointed brushes so that I can get thin and thick lines. My idea of making leaves was a little different before, but then I decided to stick to these simple leaves because then they look better. I tried a different approach for this one with some really nice olive green, making more shapes because I need to fill the page. I could have done a little better job with the color combo on the blue and the pink page, but that's okay. You just learn from your mistakes. And this is a practice session, so it shouldn't really matter. Adding more shapes, adding more stock, making them look like flowers now. And I'm using a lot of water in some places, and you see that flow. I really like it. I don't know, I really like it when one color merges with another color. That's the beauty of watercolor, right? Okay, I'm adding more green color to that page. Okay, now the page is completely dry and I'm going back in with the same color but a little darker and adding in the outlines. And I'm trying to make these flowers super quick. I mean, this is sped up obviously, but still. And then adding some greens to fill up the page. A little lighter green so that it doesn't get mixed with the other leaves that I've already drawn. That's more of leaves because I thought it'll look better with a little bit darker green in there. Oh, I left these flowers, so filling it up in. Now go back to this page and drawing the main centerpiece or the center flower over here. And I'm using the same technique that I used for the tulips. Just quickly wiggly lines and okay, the stalk. I decided to not go for green here, but make it in the same color because I thought then maybe it'll look better. I don't know. Does it look better? Or should I have done green? Adding more lines because I felt like this page looked a little boring to me and also not that great. And you see that pink is getting mixed with the blue of the main flower, which is I didn't want that to happen. I mean, not that I didn't want that to happen, but I did not like that it was happening. The color that it was creating was kind of brown and it's a bit muddy, right? But that's okay. We're just here to have some fun. Okay, I think I'm putting in the last bits and pieces. Added a bit more blue because there was not enough blue on this page. And we're going to wait for this to dry. Okay, so here's the final spread. And this is how the page looks like. Let me know what you think about this. And I guess I'll see you in the next watercolor session. And this is my favorite flower. I don't know why, just is.